Thrill Show! Aaron Twain, Tony Carvajal coming out on the rear tire. Both these guys ride 2018 Indian Scout Bobbers. You got Tony Carvajal in the all black, Aaron Twain wearing the red and black flannel. They're going to hop up on those seats one more time. Now these are stock machines. We've done nothing to modify them. Well, we didn't put those exhausts on because we like to be loud and obnoxious. But these are just like the bikes that you can ride right here at the demo trailer. Come back tomorrow and take them for a spin. And this time when they come back out, they're up. Oh, Aaron Twain with the foot on the seat and the tank. Tony Carvajal, both feet on the seat back there as these guys come cruising in. Now they're going to do it one more time for you as they take off and head back down towards the containers. And they're up. You can see these guys trying to get as much speed as possible in that small little slippery area. Tony makes it down first going through the containers. They're going to come back out this time. All sorts of sideways. A little fall of a leader action. Aaron Twain following flipping that wrist, slipping that clutch, and that 100 horsepower Scout Bobber takes over. So remember, with power comes great responsibility. These guys right now have some fun. Inside of those helmets as they go flying back down the other direction. They're going to cross paths one more time, turn them around. But hey, this is Sturgis Rally. Put your hands up. Aaron Twain blocking up the rear as he moves sliding down into the corner. They'll do it one more time. These guys love changing tires. No, I'm just kidding, we hate it actually. But it's so much fun to burn them off. Coming real hot. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, put it together for your Indian Scout Thrill Show. But we're just getting started here. We got plenty more coming up here in the next couple of minutes. Aaron, what's up next?
How you doing, Sturgis? All right, my name is Aaron Twain. This is my man, Tony Carvajal, and we are just getting warmed up out here. There's my helmet on the ground, no worries. These are stock bikes, guys. These are Indian Scout Bobbers. We're out here in the small little area killing it, so you can imagine what these things are like out on the open roads. Coming up next, we got the hooligan bikes, and as a special treat for you, our 5 o'clock show, we're gonna send this guy, Tony, through this wall and maybe blow it up with some fire. What do you guys think? Awesome, stay with us. We're gonna get this thing heated up.
Absolutely. One more time, put it together for both these guys out here. Indian Scout Thrill Show. It's going all day long. We're gonna do a quick bike. So now you just saw us come out here. We were riding some bone stock 2018 Indian Scout Bobbers. Really loud. Cruising around and I'm back. Yes. We got some power again. These guys just run a little chase right now. Tony kind of doing some burnouts. It looks like these guys are going to come out one more time. This time, on the seat. Aaron Twain punching out. Tony down, keep those feet. Aaron on the seat again. You see Tony as well, side by side. These guys standing up. Oh, Aaron almost trying to go to the wall. A little bit early on that one. But we're going to line them up one more time, and they're going to go flying through. So if you get the picture the first time, make sure you grab it this time. And when they come out, I want to hear you guys making some noise. Having some fun over here, still cruising around our barrel. He's gonna head back down to the far end, and these guys are going to get ready. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna light this wall on fire at Chris Tice 49. But I hear some motorcycles running, and I think we're about to see some fire. Aaron just getting that lit up. Oh yeah, see, I told you, big fire. All right, I promise you there'll be more. I promise you it'll get bigger. I'm sure some of you have heard that before. Hello, look, there we go. We got some flames coming. When you hear that bike revving, that means he's coming through. So get those cameras ready, because here comes Tony Carvajal. Massive flame, boards flying everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, put your hands together, make some noise. Big thank you to all you guys for coming out, hanging out with us today. You guys are all super awesome and beautiful.